Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss Evaluate Yourself 6. Draw all possible stereoisomers of a complex CaCO NH3Cl OX twice. The central metal ion in this complex is, we know, cobalt. It is a 3 plus ion, cobalt 3 plus ion. Amine neutral ligand, charge 0. Cl negative ligand, monodentate, therefore -1. 1 oxalato 2 minus, 2 oxalato 4 minus. 1 oxalato 2 minus, 2 oxalato 4 minus. When we add all these charges, we will get 2 minus on the complex. Calcium is 2 plus. This 2 is here, that 2 is there. 2 get cancelled. Therefore, this is the correct molecular formula of the given complex. Before draw all possible isomer, now I write the IUPAC name of this complex. Amine start with the letter A, chlorido C, oxalato O. According to alphabets, when you name the complexes, we have to select the ligand in this order: first, second, and third. The cation is calcium. Start with the calcium. Calcium, cation, calcium. Ligand, amine, only one, NH3, therefore amine. Cl, only one Cl. Chlorido, 2 oxalato, dioxalato, a bidentate ligand, negative bidentate ligand, oxalato. Central metal ion, cobalt, it is an anionic complex, therefore cobaltate. Oxidation state of cobalt is 3, that should be in Roman numeral. Oxalato OX, indicated by simply OX. Oxalato can be written as the actual molecular formula for oxalato is, now I write here, COO minus, COO minus. This is oxalato. What is the donor atom? In oxalato, oxygen is the donor atom. Here you have one oxygen, another oxygen is the donor atom. And is simply indicated by OX, 1 oxalato 2 minus, 2 oxalato 4 minus. First I am going to draw the stereoisomer, cis-trans isomer in these octahedral complexes by taking these two monodentate ligands. If these two monodentate ligands are in 1,2 position, it is called cis isomer. If these two monodentate ligand is in 1,6 position, it is called trans isomer. First we have to draw cis and trans, after that optical isomers also we have to draw. Now I am going to draw first cis isomer. We know the central metal ion in this complex is cobalt, CO, oxidation state equal to 3 plus. Oxidation state equal to 3 plus. Octahedral geometry, where the ligands are present. First draw, join for the corners, above the plane one ligand, below the plane one ligand. And one more, trans isomer, we have to draw cobalt at the center, it is a 3 plus ion. Draw the octahedral structure. Here you have the corners atoms are joined with the central metal ion, all the cognate atoms are joined with the central metal ion. Above the plane one ligand, below the plane another ligand. If the two amine NH3 and Cl are in 1,2 position, NH3 and Cl are in 1,2 position, it is called cis isomer. If the two monodendate NH3 and Cl are in 1,6 position, it is called trans isomer. Now we have to draw oxalato. Oxalato structure we know, COO minus, COO minus. The donor atom is oxygen. Donor atom is oxygen. Join the two oxygen. COO, COO. Simply put OX here. Oxalato. Donor atom, oxygen here. COO, COO. This is oxalato. Cis isomer. Come to trans isomer. Oxalato, donor atom are here. COO minus, COO minus. This is oxalato. Another oxalato. COO minus, COO minus. This is another oxalato. One is cis form. Amine, chlorido are in 1,2 position. This is called cis isomer. Chlorine and amine are in opposite position. This is called trans isomer. Trans isomer. Now we are going to draw the optical isomers of cis and trans. Which one is optically active, whether cis or trans? Now I take an example of cis isomer. Cobalt 3 plus ion at the center. I am drawing the cis isomer of these complexes, cis isomers, and also trans isomer, where the bonds are present. Join all the cognates, join all the cognates. Above the plane one ligand, below the plane another ligand. Two amine, one amine and one chlorine, two monodendate ligand, NH3 and Cl are in cis position. And oxalato, oxygen is the donor atom, one oxygen here, another oxygen here. When you join these two, this is one oxalato. One oxygen is here, another oxygen is here. When you join these two, you will get one oxalato here. Place a mirror on the right hand side. This is one mirror, place it on the right hand side. Then we have mirror image of this compound. Central metal ion is cobalt CO 3 plus ion. Now 4 corners are occupied by 4 ligands. Join all the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where the ligands are present? These two monodendate ligands are present in here. Chlorine is present here. Where oxalato is present? This oxalato is present in this side. O, C double bond O, O minus, C double bond O minus, oxalato. And this oxalato is present here, oxygen. C double bond O, C double bond O, oxygen and oxalato. When you place the mirror image on the complex, they are not superimposable. This oxalato is present here, this oxalato is present here. Therefore, these isomers are cis isomer. Cis isomer is optically active, not superimposable. Not superimposable. Therefore, these two are optically active. Optically active. And these two are called enantiomers. These two are called enantiomers. What is enantiomer? You know, the pair of two optically active isomers which are mirror images of each other are called enantiomers. Simply, the two coordination compounds having same molecular formula, same kind of central metal ion, same kind of ligands, but they differ only in the rotation of plane polarized light. If the compound rotate the plane polarized light in clockwise direction, the mirror image rotate the plane polarized light in the anti-clockwise direction. It is called mirror image, right? Now, this is cis isomer. Now, we are going to draw the trans isomer of these complexes and going to check whether it is optically active or not. Now, we are going to draw the trans isomer of this complex. CO, NH3, Cl, OX twice, trans isomer of this complex, and check whether it is optically active or not. Cobalt 3 plus at the center, and where the ligands are present in octahedral complexes, we know where the ligands are present in octahedral complexes. Join all the corner atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions. In trans isomer, the monodentate ligands are in the opposite direction. NH3 is here, means in the opposite position Cl is present. This is trans isomer, where the oxalato O COO, oxygen is the donor atom, COO. This is oxalato. Here oxygen is the donor atom. Join to oxalato. This is one compound. This isomer is called trans isomer. Now, we are going to draw its mirror image. Cobalt at the central metal ion. Join all the corners. Join all the corners. Here you have square. When all the corners are joined, above the plane one ligand, below the plane another ligand. Now, we are going to write the mirror image. When a mirror is placed between these two, you will get the mirror image. Easily we can write, this amine is present here in the mirror image, NH3. The Cl is in 6th position. This oxalato in the mirror image, oxygen is the donor atom, COO, OX is present, and this oxalato is present in the opposite side, COO, opposite side. This is oxalato. When you place the mirror image on the compound, all the group and the bidentate ligands are coincide with each other. That coincide is also given in another name, that is, all are superimposable. All are superimposable. All are superimposable. Just to coincide each other. If superimposable means that this is optically inactive form. Optically inactive. Not, these are not enantiomer. This is your trans isomer. So, in general, after drawing all these, we come in conclusion that in octahedral complexes, the cis form is optically active and transform is optically inactive. The cis form is optically active, and transform is optically inactive. Correct. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.